What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polkadot and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. Only 20% of viewers are subs, so please tap that red button. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, it seems as though Polkadot is starting to make a decent recovery. We've been making higher lows here, as we can see, which is something that we think is very positive. Obviously, it seems as though we're struggling to make higher highs currently, but it does look as though we're bouncing in and around this range, and it does look as though we're forming some kind of a ascending triangle here, which is typically a bullish signal. Obviously, making higher lows is bullish, because that means the price action isn't falling back down below these levels. So provided that we don't start rolling back down past this channel again and retesting these lows, then we do think that things are looking very bullish for Polkadot. This is a top project that has been absolutely crushed recently in the market, as we can see. It's currently trading at around $24 with an all-time high of around $50 or so. So it's still over 50% down from its all-time high. So I mean, if you're considering getting into Polkadot for the long term, I mean, what an opportunity this is. Not financial advice, of course, but you have to say that with a project as big as Polkadot, with so much to come, and with its mainnet launching potentially in the summer, there's so much going on for Polkadot, and its ecosystem is probably going to perform very well as time goes on. Obviously, projects like Polkadot have been performing very well since their inception, as you've no doubt seen if you've been in the crypto space for the past 4 or 5 months. Kusama has also performed very well, which is a testnet for Polkadot. So there's plenty of stuff going on with Polkadot that we're bullish on, and it does seem as though the price is starting to recover nicely. Seems as though we're getting this A, B, C reversal pattern, as we can see here. And what we really want to see now is Polkadot essentially breaking past this level of resistance here at around $25, and basically moving up to this next level of support and resistance that we've outlined, which would probably be around this area here. Let me just put a line in so you can see this. Probably about this area here, which, as we can see, has been historically a very strong level of support here at around $28. We've actually hit this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this whole mess here as well. So we've clearly tested this level quite a lot, and this is probably going to be one of the next targets for Polkadot in the road to recovery. We're seeing the market slowly start to recover over time. We're kind of trading sideways and slightly upwards at the minute for Bitcoin, and it seems like it's forming somewhat of a bull flag from what we can tell, a bull pennant, sorry. So it's very we're still quite up in the air about what's going to happen next, and obviously everything is predominantly being led by Bitcoin for the most part. So it seems as though Polkadot is following the actions of Bitcoin quite heavily currently. It seems as though we may be forming something like this as well for Polkadot, as you can see here. But it does look as though we're going to make a decision soon of whether we're going to break upwards or downwards. One of 2 things could happen, obviously. As always in the market, if we move downwards, we probably are going to be retesting these levels here at $18.50. And then if we continue to roll, this $14 mark will probably be retested as well, if we start to see something like this, if we can't break above these highs. However, if in the short term we can break above these this point of resistance here at around $25, we are bullish on Polkadot, and we do think that it'll probably come up, maybe retest. It's going to retest this $28.50 level here, and then hopefully if we can break through this and flip it into support, then we should be golden, because we'll be back in between this range, in between $28 and $50, which Polkadot was trading in for quite some time here, as we can see, and it was slowly moving upwards, and we did make an all-time high just before the correction, the wider market collapse that we saw on the 19th. So as you can see, Polkadot got absolutely crushed. It came all the way to the downside, all the way down to as low. Let me just get rid of these lines. It came all the way down as low as around $16, $17 here. We did get this relief rally, but then we rolled again and made lower lows. So obviously this isn't very bullish at all when you're making lower lows and you're starting to roll. This obviously means that price action is going down, but it does seem as though now Polkadot is starting to regain its feet. As we said, the higher lows are coming into play here, as we can see. And we just want to see another higher high here. If we can see another higher high, that'd be really good. We can come back and retest this level of support and then move up again, which would be very bullish in our opinion. As we said, a lot of this depends on Bitcoin, obviously, and what it's going to do next in the wider market. But it does seem as though we're slowly starting to trickle to the upside now. And hopefully, if Bitcoin can break that 41k level in the next few weeks, then we should be on the road to recovery for most cryptos. And we think Polkadot will be included in that as well. So just taking a quick look at the minutia of the past few days. As you can see, we've got this bearish flip of the EMAs in the past week or so when the market started to roll again. But we have gone bullish again here. As we can see, the 20 has flipped the 50 again, and we have been moving up here. So hopefully if we can keep using the 20 as a point of support here. So as you can see, as we've been moving up, there were some points where it did look as though we may be rolling again. But obviously, as you can see, we've been bouncing nicely off the 20 and the 50 here. Mostly bouncing off the 20 with a few bounces off the 50. And we have been moving up again. So hopefully we can retest the 20 as support here and maybe start to bring the 20 up slowly like this, with the price action slowly moving against these areas here. And then hopefully we can come up and, as we said, break to this level here and break this local high so that we can see that A, B, C reversal pattern fully coming into play there for Polkadot, because obviously this is a top project. We think it's going to do very well in the long term. Obviously the short term looks quite bearish, as does most cryptocurrencies in the market. But as we said, it's very important to remember, don't get too caught up in the minutia of the day-to-day. Just remember, if you're investing in quality projects, you know what you hold, and in the long term, they're probably going to work out very, very well. So don't panic sell, because that's what the whales want. They want you to dump your bag so that they can buy them at cheaper prices. Not financial advice, of course, but don't get sucked into all the FUD and the fear in the market. Just remember what you hold, and when in doubt, zoom out is always the best thing, as you can tell. If we go back just to the start of the year here, you can see that Polkadot was, let me take a look at January the 1st here. Polkadot trading at like $6 or $7, so we're still up well over 3 or 4x from that price. Obviously, everyone wants to see that 10x, basically that 8 or 9x that Polkadot would have done at its all-time high from then. But obviously, this correction, these things happen in cryptocurrency. This is basically par for the course. So our short-term price prediction, we do want to see Polkadot breaking through this $28 level. I think if we can do this, move up into this level here, we'll be golden for continuation, basically, for the next few weeks. Long-term price prediction, as we've said before, we do believe that Polkadot is a $400 or $500 crypto by the end of the year, which is around a 10x from the all-time high, or around a 20x from the current price. This is a project that's going to do very well as the smart contract wars start to happen in the summer, in our opinion, and with their mainnet launching, we do think they're going to get a very nice boost going into the future. So that's our update for Polkadot today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with purevpn. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can access blocked content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.